All right, what's up, y'all? So, as you see by the title, I'll be showing you guys how to get free product of TEMU, and basically free product and money too. So, if you guys haven't downloaded TEMU, make sure you guys click the link down below. And if you guys haven't, make sure you guys use the code FAV0977 for 30% off. So once you guys are here, you're gonna go ahead and click here at the profile icon and go ahead and click where it says earn credits and free gift. So once you're here, you really want to win free items. So you're going to go ahead and click here, hat and tricks and gift. So once you click here, you're going to want to go ahead and participate in this video game so you can win some money and some free product. So here we have we have to pick three items. So let's go ahead and choose this one right here, which is completely AirPods, which are free, and the price just dropped, pretty free. So let's go ahead and choose two more items here. I will go ahead and choose the same one item. Now we just need the last one. Okay, you can go ahead and choose the last one here if you guys really want. We're gonna need the this right here, AirPods multiple function white clean pen for AirPods. So you can continue doing this. So once you guys are here, you can click the second link down below, and it will show you guys how to basically how to get 30% off and eat from each product. So from here, you can just go ahead and start scrolling and choose which product you want to get for free. And once you complete it for free, there's a steps that it will need you to complete, which is sharing to your friends, and your friends have to accept your invites so you can get the free items. But besides that, though, this game is completely free. You guys can go ahead and download the TEMU app. The link will be the first link down below, and make sure you guys thank me later. Go ahead and comment down below if this video helps or not, and I'll drop a new video that you guys request, of course. And I'll always be down to help you guys if you guys have any question with TEMU relating to TEMU orders or anything like that.